Welcome to video one. So I'm gonna try a couple different things out here. We're doing mountain biking. We're gonna start out here at the Lost Dog Trail. Yeah, I have no idea what's gonna happen with this. Lost Dog. Riding out of the parking lot here. Tank, lovely hill. Maybe get the heart rate started real fast. Been doing a lot of sign work up here. You can see that brown one there. That's new. Whew. I like to come back that way, so we'll come back that way. A little bit downhill. Alright, get through the chunky stuff. So, yeah, top cap basically dry rotted. Have one ordered, but it hasn't gotten here yet. So, it'll be getting installed next week. But for now, everything's working out here. So, this is now the Lost Dog Trail. I'm going to be on the west side of what's called, well, technically the north side, my bad. Technically this is the north side of Lost Dog. And I'm going to head out. Just ride some of the easier trails here, nothing crazy. But since this is the first go at it, yeah, we're just going to see if this is any good. I want to go around worm or over the worm here. There's some quails. Okay, so decision point coming. Yeah, I think we're gonna do something real smooth, real easy today, just to be real different here. So if you take a right, that's your normal worm trail. We're gonna do the worm bypass. No hill, at least this direction. Probably do the same coming back out. But Dallas. Oh, here we go. The worm is straight ahead. We're taking a left. We're gonna keep going all the way out here. The other trail on the right we just passed was another alternate ending to worm. It's really not well marked out here. Great event though, I want to go back. The trail to the right back there was Milo's Revenge. It's just a straight drop line. It's not very exciting. But we're heading all the way out here to the end. You'll see the Refri. The old refrigerator. But yeah, oh man, back here. Come on. Yeah. Now we're gonna be coming off that one. That's what's called COVID, but now I think it's lovingly called Wandering Dog, which I think I like. Check it out. It's crunchy. Crunchy. This climb sucks, by the way, especially in the rainy season. Losing all those rocks. Ooh, get up this. Okay, there we go. Easy does it. All right, we've kind of finished Lost Dog. This kind of transitions into El Refri out here. So, all those houses are part of the wonderful Cimarron community. And then I've learned these trails ever since, and it's been a pain in the butt. So my mission is look at all the pretty flowers. This one's new. We'll continue with Refri in just a moment, depending on how this pans. All right, let's go see what this looks like down in this arroyo here. You know what down means? Down means you gotta go back up. Ooh, technical turn here. Ooh, nice and loose. Ah, dab. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I'm not gonna pretend to be a technical wizard. I'm okay. But yeah. here, this is brand new and loose. It needs burned in a little more. There's definitely PR in, you don't know it. Cool trail though. Love the switchback flow here. This is a good sign for our trail networks. Growing. Oh my god. Rolly rocks on off camber. Not my happy place. Okay. Don't call me wimpy later. The comment section before, right? Okay. Of course, it's gonna dump us out in that beautiful low point up there, probably. Well, in interest of interest, we did it for interest. Hopefully someday there's a little more to that than just that, but for now, oh, sand. Oh, wait. Okay. Fun time. Alright. Oh my god. Finishing thought. If you are ever out here, you need both trail forks and an MTB project. Get them both. You won't regret it. You're gonna love it. Because there are trails on one that are not on the other. Wide range of this. There's a trail. Leave it behind. They put a lot of effort out here. Keep these trails running good. But here's the Refri. I'm gonna stop and check it out. Got dolphins there, we got gunshots. Got a beautiful door. Yeah, that's the Refri. We got a belt buckle too, it looks like. Beautiful belt buckle. That is why this trail is named El Refri. I don't know, for the longest time in my brain, all I can ever think of when I'm here in El Paso is Refri, you know, refried beans. You know, I don't know why. I know it's a refrigerator. See, no real markers, but we're at the destination. At least for today. You can definitely go further up this hill, and I will. Not today. Let's see where these two are going here. Take a break. This is the Topo worm. You know, in the interest of time today, we're just gonna go down worm. I'm not gonna go down the other one. Enjoy. I would say this is a fun, flowy descent with a little technical ending. So I like going down worm. I think other people do too, but nobody says they do. Oh, there's a wind. Hopefully it's not too windy, but we'll find out. I'll get a complete cover. But yeah, I mean, this isn't a steep, super techy downhill, but it's fun, it's flowy, it's nice to... It is nice. So fun. A lot of rocks. You ain't going nowhere in El Paso without rocks. It's truth. Now stay left here. I just don't want to go to the Milos like this again. I prefer worms. Technical. Alright, you can't go straight. It just turns into an ugly downhill. I wouldn't recommend it. This way's way better. Alright. This is the technical switchbacks I was telling you about. They're not that bad. They're way more fun. You got lots of line choices here. So I usually just go down the middle or to the left. Take your poison. Then you flow down this piece, across the middle. I go high here. You should go high here. Totally doable. And around the last side, we'll go low this time. You can definitely take a high line there. Another time. So then you flow out. A little chunkier than it was. Must have got washed out a little bit. This part's super fun and flowy. All of them got too chunky. Really nice, fun, pumpy, flowy, like over. Last dip, man. So to the right will take you back out where we were. Left will take you up a hill. Straight take you around the hill, and you don't want to go up that hill. It sucks. But we rode this earlier, so we're backtracking. There are of course other means to loop Lost Dog, but we can cover those another time. Alright, so that's Creosote, or no, that's Ocotillo. Not bad. Look at me lying to you guys. Look at me lying to the world. That was the bomb Ocotillo. Yeah, you gotta go up this little hill here. So we backtracked everywhere up until about here. Instead of backtracking back up Lost Dog, I go down Creosote. Much more fun. Do something different. So here at the end of your ride, hit up Creosote. Definitely fun. Always good downshift for that corner. Roll into this lovely arroyo section here. Shift. Pedal up, pedal up, pedal up. And that was a very, 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 very small loop in Lost Dog.